Start right now.
Hey guys, summer is coming up soon. Should we plan a vacation together?
That's a great idea. I have been dying to get away from work for a while.
I am in as long as it's not too expensive. I need to stick to a budget.
Same here, but I'd love to go somewhere with interesting food and culture.
How about Nepal or Thailand? Both are affordable and have great places to explore.
Nepal sounds adventurous, but I was kind of hoping for a beach destination this time.
Thailand. Cold water there, you get beach, night markets, temples, and it's not too costly.
I have heard the street food in Bangkok is amazing. We could do a mix of sightseeing and relaxing.
Yeah, alright, sounds like Thailand is winning. Should we do a 1 week trip?
1 week should be enough. We will need to take leave from work. What about the travel cost?
If we book flights early, we can get good deals. I will start checking websites like Skyscanner and Google Flights.
Also, maybe we should stay in an Airbnb instead of hotels. It's usually cheaper and we can book sometimes.
Great point. We can spare the cost and even get a nice apartment near the beach.
When should we go? Early June, prices go up after mid-June due to school holidays.
I agree. Let's try for the first week of June. That gives us time to plan everything.
Cool. I will start looking into food tours and cultural activities.
I will check on adventure sports, maybe scuba diving or a jungle trip.
And I will handle the beach days, plan massage, sunbathing and sunset cruise maybe.
Perfect. Let's create a group chat and start collecting ideas and price.
Done.
Alright.